So here we are approaching Venice, going across the causeway. Kind of a world of difference between the mainland Italy and Venice, as we'll soon find out. This is our first view of Venice. It's not the best weather, but just thinking about an island that's completely covered by buildings and habitation and history. Probably the first time we've ever seen anything quite like this, so this will be an interesting experience. I'm sure that many of you who are watching this have either been here and know what I'm talking about, or haven't been here and are excited by what we're about to see. So far what I see is buildings right out to the edge of the water without any beach. It's like beach doesn't exist here. It's habitation all the way to the water.
We are now arriving in Venice, final destination of this journey. Thank you for traveling with Trenitalia. We will be glad to see.
I'm sure many of you who have traveled here before remember this experience, seeing Venice for the first time. So we just got out of the train here, the Frecciarossa, and we're going to try to find a water taxi, which I think is this way, to get to our hotel. This will be interesting because there really aren't many directions. So this is our first view of Venice. Look at it. There's a canal here after you come off the train station. There's this piazza, and there's nothing but water taxis here, obviously being no roads. What a very unusual city this is. This is the train station, probably the last time we'll ever see land transportation here. Anyways, now we're about to get used to what it's like living on water. This will be cool. Here we are in our first water taxi. As you can see, everybody seems to be going on the San Marco. Must be a lot of hotels here or something, but everybody's going this way. So you can see how busy the canals are. The water taxis are like obviously land taxis, but there's lots of them going up and down every 3 seconds, it seems like they're going by. So this is a very interesting adaptation of water to people traffic. There's lots of it. This is not a quiet city. I think this is the second busiest tourist destination in Europe, next to Paris. I can see that. Yeah, so this is our first Vaporreto ride. We're going through a portion of the Grand Canal. Check it out, it's pretty cool. Can't actually believe we're here. This entire city is built on this island and canals. I want you to take a look around and enjoy it. You'll see lots more videos of these, but right now this is the very first one. So here we just got off the Vaporreto, and there you can see the famous basilica, and this is the Grand Canal where all the famous gondolas are. Unfortunately it's raining, but still that doesn't dampen our spirits. We're here, and of course this is really famous near St. Mark's Square, which was flooded not so many months ago. Unbelievable to think of that, isn't it? Isn't this gorgeous? Look at that. There's Christine and Maya waiting in the rain. Let's walk towards them, head to the hotel. It's about 6:30 at night. Umbrellas are out, which makes it kind of colorful. Some entertainment for us. Pianist. Look at all these empty tables in the rain. Not good for their business, but here we are walking through St. Mark's Square. Always a place I wanted to see, and now I'm here. Now here we are in first sighting of St. Mark's Square. We're just all amazed. Look at this huge plaza. World famous. And it was underwater not so many months ago when it was flooding here and high tide and everything. And now it's just raining, so not exactly thrilling, but still we're here. So I'll take you on a little walking tour from our hotel, San Marco. Went across a bridge, and now we're heading into St. Mark's Square, like 50 steps away. This is about 9 p.m. at night. Looks a little quiet in the off season, but still quite fabulous. And of course everybody here in the courtyard's doing exactly the same thing, including Christine. Obviously they've been enjoying tourism for decades like this, but still for first timers it's pretty cool. Oh, there's another first timer. Hello.